Hey all, welcome to this video. So today in this video, I'm going to introduce you to a NPM package that will save a lot of your time. So this is a Vercel Express starter kit, especially for beginner developers. So let us take a look what all sort of things and features it has. So I have built this NPM package especially for saving a lot of time if you are a beginner developer and if you want to create a mini backend or even a production ready backend application that needs to be hosted on Vercel, you can easily set this package, easily use this package and set up your backend application ready to be deployed on Vercel. So Vercel basically it's a serverless environment architecture, and let us take a look what all things are there in this. So it's easy to set up. It's serverless ready. You just need to run few commands, and your application is ready for deploying on Vercel. So also I have added TypeScript support, and you can take a look at the website and maybe you can read documentation if you want. So this is the folder structure for both TypeScript and JavaScript. All right. So let us take a look and let us create a sample, a demo kind of, a tutorial kind of application. So let me create a folder, web app. Let me cd into that, and let's run this command that says npx create-vercel-express-mongodb-app. And it's asking what you want to use. I want to use JavaScript. This is a simple web app. Version 1.0.0, similar to setting up npm init package settings. You just need to do these things. All right, so now it is asking for setting up the environment variable. Let me do npm install, and here you can see that after setting up, we need your MongoDB URL. So let me open my terminal. Okay, installation is done, and let me open my VS Code. Okay, cool. So now let me go to the environment file. Here you can see MongoDB URI is present. You just need to paste your URL and you are good to go. Now what you can do is simply you can just say npm run development, npm run dev. It's also guys node monons installed, so it's a really time saver for you guys. And you can see now server is running locally on localhost 8080. So let us check it out. Localhost 8080. All right. Server JavaScript is running smoothly. Explore slash API slash example. Okay. Hello. So this is a basic, um, API routes edit. You can take a look at this folder structure. All right. So this is the folder structure. Source. This is the main API endpoint for Vercel. So it's completely, optimized for deploying your applications on Vercel. Also, we are using a cached MongoDB connection. All right, so let's take a look how you can, deploy this application to Vercel without even connecting GitHub. If you want, you can also connect to GitHub, or you can use Vercel CLI tools. So for Vercel, for time sync, I'm going to install Vercel globally, and we're going to deploy these applications. So it's going to take few seconds because it's installing a package. Okay, it has installed the package, and now I just need to run one command that says Vercel deploy. Yes, it's my project name, link to existing. No, what's your project name? Simple web app, current directory, and it will directly, you know, deploy your app to Vercel. You don't need to worry about anything, guys. Even for the TypeScript version, how you can, create a really fast backend applications along with MongoDB. All right, deploy to production. Run Vercel production to override later. No worries. So let me go to Vercel and let me show you the project, guys. So yeah, this is the application. This is the project web-app. Also, you can see the server is up and running. Let me also show you console log for a little better approach. And here you can see that, yeah, status 200. So Mongo database is connected. It is using cached connection. Let me go to API/health check. Okay. Yeah, it was wrong route. It's just /health. Yeah, it's good. Also another route API/example. Yeah. So we are going perfectly good. Okay. So yeah, so this is how you can easily, deploy your backend applications. So if you are really um using it and if you liked it, make sure to hit like on the video. Also give a star to this GitHub repository. Link is in the description. If it has really helped you guys, so check it out, and it's a really, something kind of thing in the development world. So bye bye guys. Thank you, really. Thank you very much.